In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Quick Slash on Hollow Knight. First thing first, head to the far right of the map and enter Kingdom's Edge. To reach the charm, you'll need the Mantis Claw for wall jumping and preferably the Monarch wings with 2 double jump. In the lower central area of Kingdom's Edge, there's a hidden passage to a breakable wall. Just look for a room filled with fallen husk enemies. Once inside, you'll find a creepy room piled high with corpses. At the very end of this area, the Quick Slash charm will be sitting on top of the pile. You need a Mantis Claw and a Monarch Wings, recommended but not required if you're skilled with wall jumps. And no boss fight is required to pick up Quick Slash, but you'll need to fight through enemies along the way. It can increase nail swing speed dramatically, synchronizes well with fragile strength and unbreakable strength and mark of pride, and also ideal for aggressive, melee-focused builds.